Hi friends, this is Qais and you are watching Programming with Qais. So this is our fifth video in this series ASP.NET MVC tutorials for beginners to advanced. Today we learn models. Model is the basic building block of MVC application. So what is model? Model is a class that defines the structure of the data that you want to store or display. It also contains business logics. Models will be called by controller or views. So in order to learn models, we just created a sample project. Just we have created in our video number 2. So there is a layout page in shared folder in which we have used Bootstrap framework. And there is a menu bar here, and this is the container flood for the body. We also created a view, index view, and we have taken a home controller in which we have the action result method, that is index. So we have created the index view here, and this is the view start cs.html. View start file is used to connect the layout page to the views. So let's check our view. So this is the layout and this is the GUI. Here we have used a diagram, that is model user, model view controller, and here we have written some definitions. What does model MVC means? Model is a class that defines the structure of the data that you want to store, display, contain business logics called by the controller. There are three types of models: view models, domain model, and service model. View model, which represent the structure of data that you want to display to the user. So let's begin. We have here a folder called model. So model is a class. So for this, we just create a model, add new item. Sorry. So we add a class. Let's name it product. Product ID. So in the model class product, we have created 4 properties: product ID, product name, price, and status, and there are types. So this is the model class of product. We have created an action method product. Let's create a view for it. Oh, this is the product view. So right now we are not using any database here. So for convention, we just create a list of product type. For here the product is unknown. We must include the model or bind model here. So for the model we write MVC sample pro dot so models. So let's build my application. Product product ID, product So we have created 4 rows here. Now return product as the class object. So let's create a table for this. So to represent our data, we have created a table here and taken for column name, product ID, product name, rate and student. Here we represent the data from models. So for this, we will use for each loop here. So for this, first we have to connect our model here. But here we use the result in the list, so we create the list of this. Now let's use for each loop. It's a model and create it for sorry. At the rate item product ID let's see in the browser. So Here is our list: product ID, product name, rate, and stock available. But here we want that we can click the name of the product and we want to see the details of that product. So for this, just we will take ID, product, item, stock. Let's connect our model. Model must be lowercase model. MVC, word, models, create table, plus, add anchor tag here. Slash. Here we have written this linking the anchor tag. Now let's see the result. Here we get the result. So all the things working fine.